HTJ.tax, the international tax firm for 6, 7, and 8-figure investors and entrepreneurs who are living that international life. Are you ready?
When someone is giving up their U.S. tax status, it's normally done in tandem with giving up whatever their residence permit or residence card, green card may have been, or surrendering their U.S. passport, right? And then you alert the tax office, the IRS, that you are leaving the U.S. permanently by filing something called a Form 8854. And that's it. So from a tax residence perspective, you've severed ties with the U.S. once you leave. From Australia's perspective, like I know you've explained the exit tax, what other steps does one need to take to sever tax residency with Australia when they leave?
Yeah, no, these are all good questions. From a practical perspective, you don't have to do anything. And most people don't do anything because they're not aware of it. But essentially, it'll be based on how you prepare your tax return in a self-assessment environment for the year that you leave. If I were to leave today in what is for us the 2022, the back end of the 2022 income or financial year, then in my return, if I return the deemed capital gain, I'm taken to have essentially chosen not to make the exit election. If I don't return that deemed gain, I will be taken to have made the election to say, don't tax me now, tax me when I actually sell in the future. And if I go to the Bahamas for 10 years, I'm supposed to, when I eventually sell, I'm supposed to return that gain here in Australia. To be honest, I don't know how Australia polices that. But by the letter of the law, that's what you're supposed to do. And again, if I held the shares for 10 years, so I bought them in 2012, left in 2022, sold them when I in 10 years' time after I'd been a non-resident for 10 years in 2032, then for half of the period, I don't get the discount.
Gotcha. Thank you. Thanks a lot for that.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.